Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious pasta right here. This recipe is one recipe that you can easily whip up. It is very easy to prepare. For this recipe I used chicken thigh. I'm going to dice the chicken thigh into bits. In a pot, I will add vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will add the chicken thigh. I'll stir fry for 15 minutes. Add some chicken seasoning, some salt, oregano seasoning, some bouillon cubes, next I added 1 cup of water. Add grated garlic and ginger, some fried shallots, seasoning, some bay leaves, curry powder, some dried parsley, some salt, and some chopped onions. I'll cover with a lid and cook for 15 minutes. In a pot, I'll add 3 cups of water. I'll add the dried pasta. Cook according to the packet instruction. Just so you know, I cooked mine for 7 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover with a lid. Cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, guys, I'll go ahead and strain using a strainer. These are all the ingredients for this recipe: red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, I will go ahead and blend until smooth. In a pot, I'll add some vegetable oil, add some chopped onions, add 1 cooking spoon of tomato paste, at this point, I would introduce the pepper mix. Guys, remember our chicken? I'll go ahead and add the chicken broth. Stir until well combined. Add some seasoning cubes, some salt, some curry powder, bay leaves, fresh garlic and ginger. I'll add the air fried chicken thighs. After cooking for 15 minutes, guys, at this time I would add the pasta. I'll go ahead and cover with a lid and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, guys, I'll add mixed bell peppers and some chopped spring onions. My pasta is ready, guys. You guys, this right here is one of my favorite food, and guys, it tasted amazing. I feel like this recipe right here is a must try. Try this recipe already. Your family will love it. Your kids will love it. Your husband will love it. In fact, everyone around you is gonna love it, okay? Because this right here tastes really, really good. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next video.